Good morning, girls. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the MNS examination. Whoever has appeared, for those girls who feels that I'll be okay in the merit list. So please go through whatever has been given in the slides regarding physical as well as medical examination. What care has to be taken prior going to the interview. Please be ready because the moment you get the results, you will have the short span to prepare yourself as per the requirement of MNS. So let us see what exactly they will be checked over there step by step. It's a near about half an hour process. Please have a patience and please go through whatever has been given. They are very useful for you. Initially, we have the color blindness test and followed by the tooth counting and condition, arms fitness test, deformation of the foot, ear checkup, and whether you have got hemorrhoids or not, that will be there. And followed by the once you have to you have to groom your head, you have to go for the parlor and you should take some cautionary measures for the proper hair. And let's just to have to clean pubic hair as well as underarms. Hands alignment will be checked over there, and bow legs will be checked as well as knock knees also. And the eye test will be there. Eye height chart will be shown and you have to read, and the pen test will be shown what exactly the pen test. So these are all things which are there in the each and every slide that are explained in a proper manner, which are very useful for you. So please don't skip this because one of the finest material I have compiled from the various sources. So don't skip this and share it to your friends also. Initially, once you go there, you will have the height measurement test. That is the maiden test which is done in every examination. So minimum as it is given in the notification, it was 152 centimeters. So now as per the height, you should have the body mass index, that is weight supposed to be near about 38 and above. If you are less in the weight, so have some fatty food as well as don't consume more. So you can take maximum intake and you can do some physical exercise and you can take good intake. That helps your muscle to grow. And for the relaxation of hilly region and exercisement daughters, that depends on their whatever the criteria has been given. Next we have what are the test hands alignment, that is up to 15 degrees, not beyond that. And legs alignment will be there, bow legs or knock knees, you have to check whether you have got, you directly go through once. And flat foot, that is if you have got the flat foot and you will be as a unfit will be given temporary, but that depends on their mood. Eye test, again it is alphabets as well as figures will be shown for the eye test, and will be shown, pen test will be there, so that pen will be brought towards the eyes. Color blindness, which is a hereditary one, that is directly unfit will be there for the color blindness. And ear test will be there, able to hear a number of times sounded, your ear will be closed and there will be small sound or making some sound with the help of any kind of tuning fork or whatever the sounds they make. Hydrocele test for the men, actually not for you. So hemorrhoids will be checked. So this is one thing you have to remember. And I request you guys to check playlist where you will find more than 2000 plus question papers for various examinations. If you feel that I have to learn some general knowledge prior going to the examination, the topic wise has been given, that will be very helpful for you to answer in the interview as well. You can see how exactly it has been segregated into history as well as various examination papers have been given. You can share it to your brothers or your colleagues, whoever is think that you have to help someone, then you can directly share. So let us see what exactly with pictorial whatever has been given. Hands alignment, this is one thing you have to remember. The alignment of hands, the normal hand you can see as well as you can see other two also. You will find this type of hands in your body. So thus this is what normal, it has to be normal, not more than that or less than that. So this may have some problem if you have this. And you will be having ultrasonic sound as a woman, you will be having this type of ultrasound of the abdomen. So they directly monitor in sonogram. So this is one thing, it will be done for you girls. And urine test will be conducted because they have to check a few whatever they can, whether you are pregnant or whether whatever the consequences. will be monitored with this. And followed by the chest x-ray we have. This is one thing, this is mandatory for each and everyone. The chest x-ray will be referred and you will have to go through this in a radiology department. And followed by the female genital examination. This is one thing you have to remember. For women, the genital exam involves a pelvic exam. The pelvic exam allows a doctor or healthcare provider to check the internal and external reproductive organs for sign of disease. So take care of your pelvic region, it's very important. Prior going to the examination, you will be undergoing various physical activities, so be careful with your content of consuming water. That should be good. If you are not consuming a proper water, then it's again problematic for you. So please go for a jogging, cycling and do some skipping and all. So this all will help you in fat burn. So if you want whatever the fat burning concerning and what exactly the shoes are to be worn, you can directly go through my video. And breast examination, that is one thing you will be, this is one of the important in this, because maximum the breast cancer happens. So the main goal of the breast examination is to determine if the breasts are normal or abnormal. If abnormal, any or all of the following may be indicated: surgical consultation, re-examination at a different time of the menstrual cycle, so whatever has been given, and possibly ultrasound will be done. So you can directly do some breast self examination once a month or 2 to 3 days after periods. You can do this. Examine breast and armpit with raised arms. Use these finger pads with massage oil or shower gel, up and down, wedges, circles. Examine breast in the mirror for lumps or skin dimpling, change in skin color or texture, nipple deformation, color change or leaks of any fluid. This is what exactly you have to do for your own breast. That has to be done by you, because you have to take care of your health. If there is any problem in your breast, please consult a doctor prior going to the examination. So these content, whatever has been provided, take it in a positive, optimistic manner, and you can work out towards your health. Though you have not yet prepared for these type of interviews, so be prompt in your whatever the activities you are doing. You have to take care of your health before going to the interview. So this is one thing, color blindness test. If you have the color blindness test, we are sorry, you are no more fit for the examination or any kind of physical like defense forces, because it is a hereditary. There is no cure for this color blindness, so you will be permanently unfit. So you can directly see how exactly normal vision candidate and others will be shown over here. And as you can see, these are the few figures what you will be shown on the cards of by the staff of the. So here the figures are 12. As you can see, there is no figure in second one, and followed by the 42, 74 and followed by 6. If you can read out these figures, make this resolution little bit up to 360 or 480. 360 is okay, so then you can directly read out whatever pictures have been given. Next we have the 12, 8, 6, 29, 57, 5, 3, 15, 74, 5, again followed by 6, 57, 5, 42 and 45. So this is what exactly it has been given. Though I am Indian Naval retired person, so I have gone through all these tests. So that is one thing, that is one plus point for you to, I can read out easily, and as you are aware that we are more aware of whatever examinations will be conducted by the defense forces. So color blindness test, this is one thing you have to remember. You will be shown, there is a picture is like this. You have to draw with your fingertip, index finger. You have to take your finger on this, and you have to take your everything, your finger. As you can see how exactly it is going there, how exactly it is going there. So you have to draw everything, and you have to take back to the respective place. This you have to practice. So this is one thing you have to remember. You can directly take your finger like this, and you can take whether you can read it or not. Next, as you can see the down below how exactly it has been given: 5, 3, 15, 74, 5, 6, 57, 5, 42, 45. Hey! So this is one thing you have to remember. So everything that is whatever has shown, you have to go through. This will help you a lot in understanding thing. So I'm very sorry, we have to go through a little bit back. So no worry, because of a few disturbance in my home. And let us see here, 6, 57, 5, 42, 45, and followed by we have small, there is no figure over here, and there is a way here, as you can see. Next, as you can see, these are the figures, deformity, and again 12, 20, so rest followed by 5, and rest no figure, and again there is a way, and you have to write down that. And eyesight test, as you can see, it is, this is what the eyesight chart will be shown over there. TZO, PTOC, ZLPED, ETO, DCF, DPC, ZL, FT, CFDT, EOPL, LDCZ, OTEP, FPCD, TZLE, OLEF, DTZP. This is what exactly you have to remember. So my intention is, the moment you go there, you'll be the distance will be near about 10 meters. Within that 10 meters, you have to read the down line. If you can't read the down line, then you will be again, you will be closed one eye, and you have to read with one eye, and you have to get corrected. Eyesight required, that has to be 6/6. If you are not wearing the glasses, it should not be worse than 6/12. That is very important. The limit, as it is shown, it as myopia 0.75 D stands, that is diopter. Hypermetropia, that is long sight, that is plus 1.5 diopter. And binocular vision 3. Limits for color perceptions, should not have any kind of color blindness or night blindness. That directly will be your rejection thing. Next, we have the pen test, as it is shown. This is one type of, the doctor will take the pen towards your nose near to this forehead. You have to look how exactly the upper one, that is back, the second one, that is down one, which is okay, that will be fine. So you have to look at the pen only without taking your vision aside. So you have to look at the pen only. So that's supposed to be done by you. If you can't do this, then again you will have some problem in temporary unfit. And there is one more, as you can see, the technology has advanced. They can directly figure out whether you have got sight or not with the help of these instruments. So here you can call me if you needed any kind of advice, and you can share it to your friends also, because one of the finest slides I have prepared from various places. Here we have the Weber test. That is one thing, whether your ears are okay or there is any problem in your ears. This type of Weber test will be done. So this will be done by the doctor. They will be checking whether you have got the wax in your ears. If you have the wax, you can use the D-wax, or you can directly consult the doctor to take out the wax. If you feel that I can do my best, so you can, that's in your discretion. Breathing and blood pressure, yeah, it is one thing that will be done over there, whether you have got any kind of acute bronchitis or asthma. So those activities are very problematic for you. So that if you have those during that period, that will be again, if they ask whether you have got an asthma and all, so that depends whether you want to tell reliable or you can, whatever, you can do it. So here you can see blood pressure, that is 120/80 has to be there. Rest all, what exactly, you can directly go through that millimeter mercury. No white patches has to be there. If you have any kind of white patches, please work upon it and consult the doctor prior going to the interview. So if you have it, then you will be unfit. And the spine will be checked over there if you have any kind of deformity of spine. So abnormal curvature in the spine can put it out of alignment. Abnormal curvature seen from the side is called whatever has been given. You can directly go through the content. And knockness will be checked over there. This is one thing. You have to focus on your knockness, as well as you have to work out what exactly the precautions are to be taken. This is what exactly the alignment on differences will be there. So normal angle is, that is less than 15 degrees. If you have this greater than angle, that is 20 degrees, you will have this type of knockness. And bow legs, as you can see, less than 10 degrees. So you should not have the both, you have to be the normal. So for every deformity of your legs, you have got small exercise, as you can see to the right, next slide, that is how exactly you have to do some positive measures has to be taken for the knock knees as well as bow legs. So these are a few exercises you can directly work at your home, and you can do some yoga, and you can stretch, and you can take few precautions while sleeping. You can place the pillow between your legs if you have the knock knees. So this is one thing you have to take. If you have the bow legs and all, you can directly go through few exercises and you can directly work upon it, and you can directly search for the interview YouTube also what exactly exercise has to be done. So please go through whatever has been given, they are very important. And you will have the next is what, flat foot. So this is one thing you have to remember. A normal foot, as you can see to the left, and flat foot, as you can see, fallen arc, so hollow foot. So here it has to be normal, it can't be a hollow or it can't be a flat foot. So these are all few things what exactly, if you have any kind of flat foot, what precautions are to be taken. So there are various girls, like we have seen people are very busy in wearing sandals and all, and heels and all, that again it hampers your legs as well as ankle. So this is one thing you will find in market, what exactly you have to wear under your toe, and you can, how exactly you can cure it up. So if you take this type of support braces, that will help a lot for your foot. So this is one thing you have to take some positive measures, and you can take some insoles which are of this type, and you can wear in the shoes. That will additionally will lessen your impact on your knees. So if you want that, what exactly you have to do, you have to wear the exercises prior going to the running and all. You can directly go through my link. Just in the first like 2 links you will find the shoes and all, what exactly you have to wear and everything. So how exactly you have to burn your fat, so before going to the medical examination as well as interview. So those videos will help you how to burn your fat by wearing sweater and all. So please go through once, so that will help you a lot. So these are one thing, insole is very important for every shoes. Additional insole is okay, though they have been given one, you can take one more additional insole. And what exactly the best shoes and fat burning tips? So this is one thing, I prefer Decathlon stores, whatever the shoes you will find in Decathlon, so they are the finest one. In my case, I use the same brand for the last 6 to 7 years. I have been using that. So that is my advice. Rest depends on whatever you feel that I feel comfortable with this shoe, you go for that. But this is something economical and very reliable, very sportive. Everything will find in Decathlon store, so you can directly refer that. I'm not a brand ambassador of Decathlon, so that depends, whatever my opinion. Once you go into the like Decathlon store, then you will realize what exactly I'm talking about. Next we have the medical test of this. As you can see, one thing, blood and blood sample will be done. So do not eat anything prior to the blood sample test. I think you might be having few type of different tests. So like there should be a gap of they should not drink any kind of water and all, that sugar test and all, and they will be tested over there. HB, TLC and DLC will be tested. So if you have the hemoglobin level of low, obviously for the women you will have the less hemoglobin level because of menstrual cycle. So this is you have to consume dates, and you can go for the beetroot and all, and urine will be tested over there. Drink more water to avoid dehydration. You have to drink good water after doing any kind of exercises. And as you can see, and how exactly blood sugar, fasting and PP, serum cholesterol, urea, uric acid. So these are all few things you can directly go through what exactly the chart has been given. So what exactly the normal and fasting after eating, and 2 to 3 years of after eating, you can directly go through this. So whether you have got in this lab or not. So next we have the chest x-ray that will be done, as I told. So that will be if you got selected in the interview, then you will be sent for the medical and all. It may take a whole process near about 3 to 4 days, depends. You directly go through, so that 2 days of interview and the medical and everything will be, it will take some time. So overall it takes 4 to 5 days. Carry the money for lodging, so that is important. And electrocardiogram, that is for the heartbeat, whether your function of the heart is normal or there is any problem, or have you gone through any kind of stunt and all, pacemakers. So get relaxed and BP be monitored over there. So don't get panic over there, don't get nervous, because you are already half of the 70% of the path have been cleared by you. Our written examination along with, besides the interview. Now you have only medical examination, so don't worry about the merit, you will be in a topmost. So think that positive, optimistic nature, so that you can directly go through whatever has been given. Electrocardiogram, you have to take out the whatever the private parts, because ECG for the men, normally we used to have the hair and you have to shave that. For the women also, like you do, if you have any kind of hair and all, you have to take out. That will be you can directly see how exactly ECG will be done. And as you can see, get the scaling done. This is one thing, it's important. Scaling of the teeth is very important prior going to the examinations of medical. And take out the wax by the de-wax drops, as I had already told, and get it cleaned. If it is not possible to you, if you feel that it is compatible with the doctor, then you can refer the doctor and take out the wax from the ENT specialist. And carry the money, that is one thing. You have to have the adequate money. And the candidate have the spectacles, then check the power of the whatever the power you have, and you can carry, and if they allow that, if you are okay with the eyesight, then you will be taken, otherwise you will get rejected. And the measurement and all, and LASIK surgery and all, people are asking, sir, whether if we go for undergo for LASIK surgery and all, that is at your own discretion. If they are identified you have gone through some LASIK surgery, then again you will have it will hamper your career. So let us see what exactly measurement of that is chest or breast. So this is one thing. Normally for the men it will be done chest expansion and all. For the women they will see whether you have got normal size or oversize, also again problematic for you. It should be normal, not even less than that. So inhaling, exhaling will be, that measurement will be normally taken. And you have to do some breathing exercises and control, take the breath and control for 15 seconds. And while practicing, whenever you do some practice of running, that will help you a lot in like expanding your bronchitis. So like this will help you a lot in expanding your whole breathing system. Next, there are few type of fit or unfit. There are two types. If you are fit, then will be no problem. If you are unfit, there is you have unfit of two types, that is a permanent unfit as well as a temporary unfit. And color blindness and all, these are all permanent unfit. In the case of temporary unfit, this is like you will be given for whatever the slab of 7 weeks or 6 weeks, whatever the time. So within that time, whatever the temporary unfit, like flat foot, knock knees, so if you can work hard within this period, so that will be given to you. That slab depends on whether you have the more deformity or less deformity, or you are underweight or overweight. Everything will be given to you for stipulated period. Why to run at the last moment? If you are well enough, you have a time now. If you feel that, sir, I'll get selected, so please start from today onwards with the good shoes and all. Purchase the good shoes. Don't do any kind of miser activities, because you have this opportunity to go and study for the 4 years of education that will be given by the armed forces medical services. So don't delay it, don't get reckless. So work on it, you will get selected. Don't worry, everything goes fine if you have done a good thing. And bone fractures, be careful prior practicing or prior going any kind of physical activities like cycling, jogging, everywhere. You have to be more cautious towards your health. If you have any kind of bone fractures or any kind of temporary fractures, get it done. So take care of your health. If you have any bone fracture, again you will have the problem during that time you will be made as a temporary unfit. If the time exists less is, then you will be permanently unfit. This is one thing. Thyroid test. People fluctuate between hypo and hyperthyroid symptoms. Maximum women gets maximum thyroid hypothyroidism, as well as you can see how exactly underactive thyroidism, overactive thyroidism. So in the case of underactive thyroidism, so you can directly go through. Sudden weight gain will come, constipation will have. The more you exercise, you have to consume more water. If you don't consume more water, you will have the constipation, and constant fatigue will be there. You will have the sluggish and lethargic type nature, dry skin, roughened skin and hair. So depression and memory loss will be there. Abnormal menstrual cycles you will have. Irritability you will have in this type of hypothyroidism. In the case of hyperthyroidism, you will have the anxiety, excessive sweating you will have, rapid heartbeat you can find. So see these symptoms whether you have prior going to any kind of physical activities or interview. So this is a rapid heartbeat will be present, itching and hives, hand tremors, swollen neck, weight loss and trouble sleeping. So this is one thing. And I just want to tell you that there is one thing, like if you have the sweat in your hands, then that will again the same problem for you. You should not get any kind of sweat in your hands. That will be, arm test will be checked, because we knew that maximum sweat glands are present in which place? In the palm or the down of the foot. So where you will have maximum sweat, then it is again you will have the problem with that. So that again you will be referred as a temporary, or otherwise you will be permanent unfit. So please go through this. This is one thing, hemorrhoids, so or piles we can call. So this is very important. So do not reckless regarding this. If you eat more spicy food, you will have this problem, and you have to consume more water after doing some exercises. If you have gone through previous this type of surgery and all, it is okay, nothing. You have to go there, and they will be asked you to bend and start coughing. Then they can recognize whether you have the problem or not. So that is one thing you can directly go through. So if you have any protrusion outside, so please consult your doctor prior going to the interview, and take care whatever the Ayurvedic medicine and all, and you can directly figure out your problems. So if you have the more, then you will have the problem. Whoever obesogenic girls are there, so they have to work towards this. They will be having more problem in this case. And what exactly the PCOS, as it is shown, it is polycystic ovarian syndrome. This is one thing. If you have these type of symptoms, please consult your doctor. Trouble conceiving or infertility, mood get changed, you can directly go through that, mood changes, and you will have acne and fatigue, insulin resistance and high testosterone, male pattern baldness, thinning hair in the case, again irregular or missed periods, low sex drive, ovarian cysts, weight changes and trouble losing weight, excessive body hair growth. This is what exactly happens with the whoever has got PCOS symptoms. So you can directly go through whatever the problems you have, at least prior going to the interview. If you have a family doctor, you can directly consult them and undergo various tests that will help you a lot prior going to the interview. And the nose deformity, if you have any kind of normal or any kind of obtrusion or something deformity you will find in the nose, so that you can directly have a look with the doctor and get it done. And dental checkup and tongue, this is one thing, it is very important from your end. You have to work out little bit. So once you go there, if you have the 32 teeth, if there is any filling of your teeth and all, then it is okay for you, because that will help you. The number of teeth will be counted over there, and the points and all that is a discretion of the medical officer, whether your teeth are okay or there is any deformity. So if you have any teeth front and back, not like huge or less, so depends. If they feel that they are okay, there is no problem in that, you will be taken. If you have any kind of deformity, go to the dental doctor and do some clipping, whatever they think can be done prior going to the interview. And appendicitis, this is one thing you have to remember. So this is a vestiginal organ. If it has come during the time of childhood or at any stage, it has been cleared out, so there is no problem, because there were many people who got selected, because it is a one time problem in it. So if it comes only once, it will not come again and again. So that is not a big issue for you. If there is any scar mark over there, you can directly tell that, sir, this is concerning to the appendicitis. So this is what exactly. If you want to cover, you can cover it with the whatever the makeup kit. You know exactly how exactly the mark has to be covered. So you can directly go through that mark. So this is one thing, girls. And the next, obesity, whoever girls are obesogenic, so you can see how exactly apple shape and pear shape of the girls. So in the case of pear shape, you will have the more weight below the waist. In the case of apple, that is more weight above the waist you will find. So now you decide whether how exactly you have to work towards them. And this is one thing I just want to advise you people. If you wear woolen clothes and start doing running against gravity, that help you a lot. If you want more guidelines how exactly how to care prior going to the running, and what exactly the warm up and cool down exercises supposed to be done, you can directly go through my playlist. Like you can just check my description, you will find everything over there. And massage your joints once you had finished whatever the physical activities, that physical activities have to be massaged, because like after coming back from the physical activities, you have to massage your knees, joints, and wherever you feel that massaging will help you a lot. that relaxes your body. And give some time after the massaging, after 1 or 2 hours in the, take some sun tan after massaging. So you do some exercises between 5:30 to 7 6 o'clock to 7:15, and from 7:15:30 onwards you start sitting in the sun, and up to 8:30 you can start taking sun tan as well as a massaging therapy. So that has to be done by you. And if you have friends, you can do partner wise, you can do some physical activities, and you can do each other massage thing and all. So please take care of your knees and all, because that is mandatory before going to the relaxation and all interview, because this help you whatever the muscle tear and all. And please remember, varicose vein is one thing. Do not run on the bare legs. This is one thing. Don't run rush. Don't give more josh while running, because you will have the varicose vein if you do those kind of activities. So please be careful. If you have varicose vein also, you will get rejected. So this is one thing. And you have to maintain balanced diet, and you should take cereals as well as food and everything in a limited content. Don't take anything too much. The too much is again too bad. So that is one thing you have to remember. So next we have the good diet. As you can see how exactly we have to take the good diet. So you can directly go through whatever the content has been given in this slide. So please go through whatever the good diet. And next we have water consumption is mandatory. Please consume proper water, and if you feel that you had done something more this day, so at least you take some water along with the electrol packet. As you can see, you will get in a medical shop for the 20 rupees of that packet can be good for the 1 liter water bottle. So don't consume 1 liter water bottle with the 1 pack in a day. That is okay. Half liter is okay, and half packet is okay. So that can be consumed after 2 workouts. So that will be helpful for you to take whatever the instant energy for you people. So go for it. It's very important. And this is one thing I just want to advise you girls. Cost of ambition. You have to remember, early mornings and late nights will be there for the good ambition. Many associates but very few friends. You have many associates, whoever the friends maximum, but less friends who helps in examinations or any kind of career growth. You will be misunderstood. So if you are misunderstood by your parents also, it means you are doing something which is extraordinary, what they don't know now. Once your result is out, then they will realize that she was towards that, and she was serious about her career. So you will be misunderstood by various people. Don't worry about that. You will be single unless you are lucky enough to find someone who understands your lifestyle. This is one thing. You have to be single till the time there is someone who help you in your career, like they are ready to help you in your career, irrespective of whatever you feel. I had seen the girls who were like 4 to 5 months, 6 months, for the last 6 months they are in touch with me, and they are busy with the whatever the videos, and they had gone through n number of videos, like out of 1200 videos, so they have gone through near about 600 to 700 videos. And we are very glad that people have gone through various videos, and they are very happy with that. Whatever the content has been provided, the way I had provided in the slides, the same thing had been provided in each and every topic. So you can directly have a look what exactly it has been given in the playlist. And people will want you to do well, but never better than them. So this is one thing. Everybody wants to do someone to good and not better than them. This is what exactly be done by the people, and they want exactly from anyone. So this is one thing, and for these reasons you will be you will do the many things alone. So that is the reason you have to be alone and do what are the practices. And this is my mobile number, guys. You can directly call me or message me if you want more guidelines, or if you feel that, sir, I am interested in preparing for any kind of interviews and all. You can call me. I am already made one interview thing, and what exactly you have to prepare, and you can directly go through that slides, and you can directly note down whatever the content you have and send it to me. Then I will tell you what exactly to be done. So that's it, girls. I hope this 30 minutes of video will help you a lot, and I hope this 30 minutes will change your life and in adapting in your lifestyle. So please take it as a serious, because life will never give you the second chance. You have to work hard. Out of these 220 girls, you have to be among them and start doing the training at Armed Forces Medicals, wherever services, whatever they provide. So please be serious about your career. This is not a child's play. So let us end with this, and thank you for your valuable time of 35 minutes. And I'm glad if you had finished this 35 minutes, please message me, sir, I had seen all 35 minutes of video in you. So you can directly message me, and I'll be more glad to you instead of liking or sending or sharing someone. I want someone to be seen this 35 minutes of video, and I want someone to be sharing that, sir, I had completely I had seen 35 minutes of your video. With like that will help me a lot. That will and make you understand how serious you are towards my videos. So thank you, girls. Have a good day. Have a great life.